assembly. 4 slices of American cheese, 4 burger buns, 2 tablespoons softened butter for toasting the buns, 4 leaves lettuce, 1 large sliced tomato, 1 small thinly sliced red onion, sliced pickles, ketchup, mustard, mayonnaise. Directions: Cheeseburgers the American way. Consider this your Independence Day. We'll take you to school so you go home and say you made cheeseburgers the American way. Pick a pound of ground beef into 4 equal portions and gently shape each portion into a patty about 3/4 inch thick. Make a small indentation in the center of each patty to prevent them from puffing up during cooking. Season. Sprinkle both sides of each patty with salt and pepper. Cheeseburgers the American way. Consider this your Independence Day. We'll take you to school so you go home and say you made cheeseburgers the American way. Burrito roller skillet over medium-high heat. Place the patties on the grill or in a skillet. Cook for about 3-4 minutes on the first side until the bottom is nicely browned. Flip the patties and cook for another 3-4 minutes for medium doneness. During the last minute of cooking, place a slice of cheese on each patty and cover the grill or skillet to melt the cheese. Cheeseburgers the American way. Consider this your Independence Day. We'll take you to school so you go home and say you made cheeseburgers the American way. Spread a thin layer of butter on the cut sides of the burger buns. Place the buns buttered side down on the grill or skillet. Toast until golden brown, about 1-2 minutes. Spread a thin layer of butter on the cut sides of the burger buns. Place the buns buttered side down on the grill or skillet. Toast until golden brown, about 1-2 minutes. Cheeseburgers the American way. Consider this your Independence Day. We'll take you to school so you go home and say you made cheeseburgers the American way. Place a lettuce leaf on the bottom half of each toasted bun. Place the cooked beef patty with melted cheese on top of the lettuce. Add toppings. Top with a slice of tomato, a few onion slices and pickles if desired. Condiments. Spread ketchup, mustard, and/or mayonnaise on the top bun as desired. Place the top half of the bun on the assembled burger. Serve. Cheeseburgers the American way. Consider this your Independence Day. We'll take you to school so you go home and say you made cheeseburgers the American way. Cheeseburgers the American way. Consider this your Independence Day. We'll take you to school so you go home and say you make cheeseburgers the American way.